Guess when I'm breathing, I don't know what I got on my nose. I'm not gonna lie. It's not a Pinocchio. Hey y'all, good morning. And yes, I am wearing a filter today. So late start to the morning. I got up at around 7. Yeah, I got up at 7. I have to go somewhere today, so it's just a matter of getting ready, which I'm ready now. And then I'm gonna wake up so I get her ready and drop her off so I can head to where I'm going. I won't be working out until in the afternoon or the night. I'll see what time I get back home and finish doing whatever I have to do. But yeah, yesterday was good, so let's make today great. Also, y'all, I woke up to 100 subscribers on YouTube, so tap into my YouTube, please, and thank you if you haven't already. And I think I'm just gonna post these videos over there on shorts too and see how that work out. I didn't want to do my lashes this morning, but I don't know what nothing there. Like, I'm a wreck right now, so I'm gonna just wing it like this. Guys, I'm make a juice over here, see? Pine, ginger, carrot, green apples, but the ginger strong. And the strong and the strong. Oh my god. I put ice in it if you try cool it, don't care. Like pepper, like it's hot. But we drinking. We juicing. It's bad. Come baby, let's go. Your fingerprints all over the mirror. Come, let's go. Hey y'all. So I wanted to try the little nerdy look, and I was in home since the other day and I saw these glasses. I'm like, guys, I gotta try it. So I was waiting on getting my hair done to make this video. I would love to do it child free as well, but it's life. She ain't in daycare, so I gotta do what I gotta do, and I gotta make the most of my time every day. So, oh, well, we'll pull this look good enough because, like, if we pop this off, I think we can bring it back. And I've never been a glasses girly. I always like seeing people in glasses though, so I'm like, let me try this out. Like, I do wear regular eyeglasses, but not my blind and can't see. But these aren't like for if you're blind. It's just a regular reading glass, and I'm gonna be using screens more often now too. So why not? Let's see. Well, I know, man. This is something to my vision. This did something to my vision. It's not for me. It's not for me. That's a really glass look. It's not supposed to affect my eye though. Should it? Ready to wear non-prescription glasses to replace prescribed. Okay, so since it's non-prescribed, it should be fine, right? I might do something to my vision. But, oh! I think this is so tea. I think this is definitely me. I look like a nerd. I look good like a nerd? I can't really see too good, so I'm going to rewatch the video without the glasses and we see what my eye look so big. Look at so bad, yeah. I'm bringing back the people with glasses. What? Go try the next one. I see him shape. This is a different color. I thought I would look cute with them. Look like a nerd, which is the look I was going for, but too nerd, man. Too. Look at Rigo's video and come back. What do y'all think? Is it a keep or a sweep? Dub dub? Let me know. Okay, I'm seeing better now. My eyelid them look big. Oh, I'm on Snapchat. I'm back. Guys, is this a yes or a no? Cause I don't know. To me, it look very nerd. Like, yeah, I'm going for a nerdy look, but this look like nerd. Like Steve Urkel nerd. I remember I them look weird too. Are some of them looking in real life? No. What the fuck? You know what I realized? Actually, I had a filter on. But why we don't the filter look worse? I look in the mirror, it look weird. I look weird. Weird. So the filter make my nose look so small. Then you must have big like Mr. Aki nose. Guys, when I breathe, I don't know what I got on my nose. I'm not telling a lie. So I'm Pinocchio. Need to lose it. But ChatGPT thinks they're probably hormones. I hope it's hormones. I hope we get rid of it because that nose here look too weak. I'm not planning to go to Turkey. Don't go snatch me up. No, my nose. I don't know what looks so. Although they did say after pregnancy, your nose will come back. I feel like my nose will come back. I know where that one you come from now. I wonder if this make my nose swell. It's supposed to heal by now. I don't know, guys. Alright, that's what you do. My friends on Snapchat said no. So that may work with. It is not so tea. I don't know why I thought it was tea. Due to me making my video. This messy yesterday. The look at time I take out looking at the mirror on the idiot glasses. This girl create a whole mess. So today I did a quick little Costco run. I like Costco chicken. I just put some barbecue sauce on it, throw it in the oven for another 15 minutes, and it's perfect. I've been wanting some place to do my meal prep, and I saw this with a bunch of other ones that I didn't like, and this was the only one. I'm like, let me try it. I didn't see the price, but I'm gonna ring it up. $13, guys. So it was a great buy, 6 of them. And then I got some protein shakes, and it's a coffee flavor. So I think what I'll do is if I'm drinking coffee, I'll just put this in as the milk. If I want to make, it's a vanilla latte actually. I don't know, for making my iced coffees, instead of using milk, I can just use it to make it a protein coffee, and it already has protein as well. So yep, getting on the L10 wellness wave. So now I'm gonna go wash these and start planning my meals for the week. I just opened the box. I just took it out of this struggle to get it out. Perfect, not too big. Because that was the thing, that the ones that I saw, I've had them in the past, but then they're too bulky. I just want some little small, yeah, like this, some small ones. This is perfect. This is a personal size and I'm controlling. It's cute. And they're glass. And they're a plastic cover. So I'll just make my meals and put it in here. Then it's a microwavable bowl with lids, it's called. I like it. And I believe it's different designs on all of them. Yeah, different designs. Yeah, I need this. This is so tea. And it's always, I wasn't even looking for bowls or anything. I saw the other ones on sale and I saw this box. So probably someone picked up these, then they saw the other box and put it down. And I was like, I'm not even gonna search for them, but yeah, so I'm happy with this. And for $13, I can't go wrong. This is less than $2 each. Pop top for microwave use. So I'm just put it in a microwave and tell me why. I forgot to put the milk in the box. Okay, I'll let you guys know how I like it. What's going on with me? But anyways, we didn't do any workouts today. I went to do my workout and realized it's actually the first day for the 21-day program that I'm doing. I don't really feel like walking today, so we're not going to take on any walking. And I've been eating good, to be honest. And for dinner, I'm going to have the lasagna that you saw baking in here and a piece of chicken. Alright, let me cut it. It's still hot. I literally just took it out. Yep, we are weird. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. I'll taste it when it cools down. Okay, so guys, it's very hot, but I tried it. It's good. It's just fresh. But otherwise, it's very good. It's not tough at all. The milk, it's alright. It's alright. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video, which will be coming to you very soon. Bye!